In front of me is OPPO Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, you need to locate App Permission Manager, which is the most difficult part for most users, because it's pretty hidden on OPPO devices. Firstly, you need to open Settings and scroll to hit Security and Privacy. Now it's time to scroll all the way down and tap on Privacy Controls. Finally, hit Permission Manager to manage it. Now my favorite part, just pick any feature you want to manage. Let's start with camera, just for example, and tap on one of your apps under one of those categories. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. I want to go with from not allowed one, so I have to click on it and apply any of those options by clicking on the best one. Camera access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will pick first option, so I have to click here and tap on the back button. As you can see, after a few seconds, Chrome gained access to my device's camera while I'm using my browser. But you can always go back, many people don't know that. Pick any feature and find an app you wish to manage. So I will go into Contacts, look for app I want. Let's start with Edge. And instead of picking any of those options and going back, click Select see all Edge permissions here, and operate all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!